Hi, and welcome to how to integrate Microsoft Dynamics CRM with PBXware video tutorial. Start by logging into a Microsoft Dynamics account. Once inside, navigate to Admin Center and under Admin Center's menu, select Dynamics 365. Next, open your Dynamics 365 production instance and under Settings drop-down menu, select Customization and click on Developer Resources. Under Organization Services, copy the endpoint address. Next, log into your PBXware. Select the desired tenant and under Settings, navigate to CRM Integration section. Click Enable option to enable CRM integration services. Make sure that CRM type is set to Microsoft CRM. Under Organization Service URL, paste the endpoint address that you have copied from Dynamics 365. Under Page URL, enter your Dynamics Organization URL. And under Login URL, enter Microsoft Login URL. If you're doing copy-paste from a browser, make sure that you don't have a slash at the end, because it can cause an issue. From a drop-down menu, choose Online or On-Premise version of CRM. Select all log options to Yes, and click Save to apply the settings. Make sure everything is set correctly. You can run a test. Enter your Microsoft Dynamics email as a username, and as a password, enter your Microsoft Dynamics password. Click on the Run button to run a test. If you have entered everything correctly, you will see a success message. Thank you for watching this video, and if you need more help, be sure to visit Bicom Systems Wikimedia page.